This is At Home with Evelyn. For more real estate tips and tricks, please like, subscribe, and please share. We can all benefit from great knowledge. We would love to have you back to be a part of our journey of building a healthy, wealthy mindset community that will help us all prosper together. Please do come back for more uploads. How to pick a good realtor. Tips and tricks to ensure you find a quality realtor. Real estate is a cutthroat industry. With the real estate market consistently changing, the quality of agents and brokers have gone up and down. However, with the housing market on the rise again, now is a great time to invest in property. There are plenty of agents out there who are only looking to make a quick buck and won't have your best interests at heart. As such, you must choose the right realtor from the get-go. A good realtor can make or break your experience as an investor. Here are some tips on how to pick the right realtor for your needs. Number 1, research. Research is key. When researching for a real estate agent, it's important to do just that, do the research. Ask around for recommendations from friends and family. You can also do an internet search to find real estate agents in your area. You might even want to check out review sites to see what past customers have to say about different agents. Keep in mind that not all reviews are accurate, but it's a very good place to start. If at all possible, you want to find an agent that specializes in the type of property you're looking to purchase. For example, if you want to buy a commercial property, you want to find an agent that has plenty of experience dealing with commercial real estate. And don't be afraid to ask questions. A good realtor will be happy to answer any questions that you have. If they seem hesitant to answer your questions, be wary. You want to make sure that your realtor understands your goals and knows what you're looking for to get out of the deal. If they don't have the answers to your questions, they should be able to find them. Not only that, you want to make sure that the agent is trustworthy. If you start to notice that they're not being completely honest with you, then you need to find a new agent. Trust is an important factor when it comes to real estate deals. If the agent doesn't seem trustworthy, you might want to look for someone else. Find out how long the agent has been in business. The longer the realtor has been in business, the more likely they are to be a quality agent. You want to make sure that you pick an agent who's been in business for a few years so that you can trust their advice. New agents might be good at what they do, but you don't really know. An experienced agent can help guide you through the process and make sure that you're making the right decisions at every turn. Along those same lines, you want to make sure that the realtor has experience in your location. This can make a big difference, as you may have different laws and regulations depending on where you're buying. Ask to see the real representation of what you pay. Ask for the breakdown on all fees and charges you will be expected to pay. If you're looking to buy a house, you want to make sure that the realtor is showing you what you can afford. Don't just take their word for it. If you're looking to buy commercial property, you want to make sure the agent is showing you properties in your price range. If you don't see anything that fits your criteria, ask them to keep looking. A realtor should be able to show you a variety of properties at various price points. They should also be keeping an eye on the market to make sure that the price they show you are accurate. They should be able to help you negotiate a price that makes sense for both parties. Reputation. Reputation is everything with real estate agents. Aside from the factors listed and the things we've already discussed, you need to make sure that you pick a realtor with a very good reputation. This is especially true if you're in a tight-knit community. If you have a realtor who has a good reputation, your neighbors will likely be able to vouch for them. This can be a huge help when trying to pick an agent. Make sure that you do your research to find out what people are saying about the realtor. If you can meet with them in person so that you can get a feel for them as a person. You want to be able to trust your realtor and make sure that you're following all your guidelines. You don't want them to be pushing you into a bad deal. Don't just take their word for it. Always check the math yourself. You want to make sure that you always check in on everything. The realtor should be able to explain everything in detail, but you should always check yourself. This is often shady realtors that get caught out there. They're doing everything in their power to get you to sign a deal. They may be trying to take advantage of you. This is what you don't want and you need to avoid. Make sure you're always checking and take everything into account. Remember, real estate investing is a long-term game. If you make sure you pick a realtor that you can trust and who has your best interests at heart, you'll have the much better experience. You want to make sure your realtor is honest and trustworthy, and with that, you should have a great experience.